Howdy, here's an entry for Ukulele Plays 2-chord song contest. Singin' in the Rain. My method of making it sound a little more interesting is to try to have my ukulele sing backup vocals. I'll try to explain how afterwards. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Along with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain. Just wanted to share that little idea. The trick is, when the melody goes up, I go from this D chord to a D chord a little further up the neck. And when the melody goes down, I go from this A7 down to this A7, or that one, and back to D. It's really a great trick. Anytime you're singing a tune with a melody that goes up and down, sort of in a beautiful way, you can have your ukulele chords follow the melody up and down. The other one I like is down in the valley, same chords, D and A7. Down in the valley's so low. Hang your head over, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, love, hear the wind blow, hang your head over, hear the wind blow. Only time for one take. My wife's sleeping. I hope that tip helps out. Good luck everyone in the contest.